Good afternoon and welcome to the news program from Niga TV. This afternoon we're going to be talking about the most relevant things that are happening in our university campus. Start. 3 weeks ago, the student Vanessa from Caulorica filed a complaint with the managers of these facilities, where she wrote that she did not think it fair the inhumanity of her university, SECAR, since most of the different campuses speaking nationally have performed acts of churling to students promoting discourse of up to hold the cost of care. She communicated with us because she does not yet received her response from the entities. Question of the day. Do you think Vanessa did write the complaint? Why? Thanks for watching and see you the next week.